Alright, so to take this off up here, I figured out that there's actually a hole right here where there's a set screw that holds all this in. Is this it? Oh, that was a loose. 5:30 seconds. Maybe. Oh, yep. And of course I dropped it. Why wouldn't I? There we go. Want to lock it in there so it doesn't move, and then get it out. I had to Google that one because I couldn't figure out how the heck this thing came out. There we go. It should slide right out. Action. There we go. There. That was a hell of a lot easier. Oh, it comes together as well. We'll go ahead and throw that nut back on there. Alright, so now we have to get this out. So we actually have to come over here to the side. And it's 5:32 again. Starting to figure out it only uses like 3 different sizes for this whole thing. Sorry if I sound more monotone today. A little bit tired. Oily. What are you? Oh, Jesus. Okay. I guess the whole clutch is going to come out now. Oh, shoot. Oh, there it goes. So hopefully all comes out as one. Alright, so there's the clutch assembly. It's the whole shish kebab. I'm going to leave that alone because I don't want to mess that up. So yeah, now we're good on this side. We'll come back to this side, but we actually have to go around and undo the other one first because there's a clip in here and that'll help us by taking that one off. Okay, I'm going to lock the quill just in case nothing goes sliding over here while we're doing all this. So, take this beautiful handle off that someone just threw a freaking bolt on there. I'll have to make a new one. Alright, Dad's missing a size. What the hell? Where's my 6mm?
Need gas?
No, I don't need any gas, buddy.
Okay. What does this do?
That's a saw. Don't touch. I'll cut your little hand off. There we go. Yep. Yeah, it's a saw blade.
You know.
Called a chop saw.
You know.
You know? Okay.
Yeah.
Glad you know.
Because one time you and me were cutting wood with it.
Yeah, we were.
And I thought it was a chop saw. I couldn't guess.
The chop saw expert over here. Thank God I have so many experts in my life. Alright, back to where we're going. Took that off. This should slide off. Whee! There we go. Oh, sweet. The whole thing came off. So sometimes this gets stuck on there, and that's where it's best to have that snap ring on the other side, because then you can pry in between this race and that, and it'll pop it off. But if you had that clip on there, it would just, move the whole thing. So, sweet. It's kind of nice that how it came off like that. Saved us some headache. So then now just 2 Phillips. I need a Phillips, boy. Oh. It's so hard to actually do something with a freaking camera right in the way. I don't know how YouTubers make it look so easy. They're really just aliens. I don't have arms. Woo! Forgot about the keyway. My bad. Ooh, shoot. Yeah, I definitely don't want to mess this up. One of those springs in there. Not touching that. And I don't think I had to take that off, actually. I don't think I did. But it's already off, so. So now we go to the other side. Get that clip. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a retainer clip, yeah, right there. And from what I've seen online, they said they usually destroy it every time, so you're gonna have to get a new one. So unfortunately, I'll have to get a new one, but I'm gonna try getting that off camera, because once I put my hands in there, you can't see anything. Gotta call in reinforcements.
Here I am
Is it fitting?
attempting to remove said snap ring from the Pope house. I think I gotta grab the other size snap ring plier, but I'm gonna.
Yes, it's too big.
It's just barely too big. That's really in there, Sneaky. Can we rotate?
Yeah. I don't know if I can rotate that.
It's just your pins are in the way, is all.
Oh, those are just bolts. You can take these bolts out.
Alright, I thought they were studs.
Nope. I just put them back in there so I don't lose them. So whenever I posted on the Facebook group, I'm like, oh, don't touch anything else. You need to read this manual and look at this video, and it's very anchored. There's like 200 pieces.
Where you want your parts at? You gotta.
Oh, you got it? Oh, sweet.
Yeah, we need a paper towel set up and then take the order of how it comes apart.
Let's see if that goes. All right, stuff. Now that we have that off, it should be able to slide through on that side.
The side of this, I don't think it's gonna go flying. I'm just gonna persuade this out.
Oh yeah, it's moving out. Okay.
And it should be yours from there on.
Yeah, that's mine.
All we gotta do is worry about this falling out on this side is all. Because I think that will come out this end without taking apart that worm gear.
Yeah.
That worked really good.
Well, let's see if we can push this out.
Are these the Harbor Freight dead blow hammers?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. I think I'd buy some of those.
Yep. Hang on, keep that rod, because I'd kind of want to push this out.
The gear that's on this side?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can engage it, but go ahead and try. No, you're pushing on the housing. Let me stick my finger in it and see if it'll move. Can you turn this guy?
Yeah.
I think it's just stuck. I think it would come out.
Oh, there
Yeah.
we go.
It's good. It's just got some crap old grease kind of shit in there. You know, it all looks pretty good so far.
Sweet.
I like it.
And it went in there like that. Oh, I see it now. So it's a bearing. God, I'm doing some terrible camera work. I'm used to being standstill. I used to actually have to like having someone here to help me.
That's why it's a problem. You might be better off with me filming you Goon Squad style, and now you gotta edit the video out because we can't see Goon Squad without their permission.
Oh, I don't care about that. So, after we have that out, this is locked. We unlock it, and then this should fall through.
I agree. That seems.
I'll let you do it.
I'm doing the deal.
You're doing the deal.
The whole thing is gonna come out the bottom.
Yeah, it's gonna come out the bottom, but I have it locked right now. This is locked, so you gotta unlock it, and then the whole quill should fall down. You might have to hit it with a Jesus hammer.
Well, what's this retainer right here?
That's part of the whole thing. Oops.
How would that come out?
Because it's like a piston. Like this is here.
Oh,
Yeah,
I gotcha.
and it goes all the way
I
down.
know what you mean now.
So you might have to get the dead blow hammer and
I
give it
understand
a
the
whack.
function now after you went over that. That makes
Yep.
sense.
I'm glad that makes sense to you.
Well, gotta make sense to somebody. I think you should really make a video of this whole thing. We should have videoed unloading it. And
Yeah,
buying it.
that was a whole process. There you
It's
go.
a snug
Easy.
fit. It's got a sleeve.
Oh, we're gonna have to take this. Take that out.
You sure? Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna
How's that
stop
work?
right there. We gotta take this threaded rod out, and then once we take the threaded rod out,
If I lock this, what's it do?
It'll lock it, so you'll be good. But there's a bolt behind this. That bolt's right here, so we gotta take that threaded rod out first. Which there's like pin here. It goes down and out, kind of thing.
This is very interesting.
Yeah.
It's got some sort of cool, intricate locking deal going on. If you see the bottom side of this, in order for that to come. all the way out,
yeah. Jesus. All right, I need to start looking through the camera. I keep looking at it like, oh yeah, then I see the camera's like a mile away in the other direction. So it should be I think it's a flathead.
I don't like that side. I
Oh,
want
those
one
other
like,
flatheads over there.
yeah, I want one like in between. This whole wall is.
There we go.
Get the goop out of it. Get that goop. Get it.
Need a pick?
No. This whole unit has some sort of interesting retention
Yeah.
system that I'm not familiar with. I was gonna blindly prod around here, see if I can figure out how it works without any. It's just got a little crud on it.
I don't know if this makes a difference, but he took this off, this plate off.
Well, yeah, it looks like this thing
But
runs over here and
I
locks
didn't
that deal.
know that. I didn't know that was actually all attached. I thought he was just kind of just going all over and doing stuff, you know. So he might have to tear like the whole front
There's
apart.
usually a reason to small people madness.
Yeah. That's what I said. I'm just a dude in a garage. I never said I was a professional.
Oh, this is a really neat
I made that
old
very
Bridgeport
accurate.
veneer or
Veneer.
Bridgeport mill.
Yeah.
Jesus, it just never ends. It keeps on going.
And then
Do you want me to start the screws
yeah,
back in the?
yeah, I do. Else I'll forget because I don't know how long it's gonna be until I get bearings and stuff.
I'll back that set screw off a little bit more. I didn't take it out and see what I see. Oh yeah, it's pretty.
Pretty lengthy. Oh, it's like a shaft in the end.
Yeah,
You want to show the camera?
Oh, it's just it's got a. It's like a locking pin.
Yeah.
I'd like to see what's inside the hole. Yeah, it goes all the way through this locking bar deal, but the locking bar deal which is now free moving.
There you go. Maybe I'll try it out.
We're learning together here. I would guess that
Think
the
other three
rest of it would come out just fine. This appears to be a separate apparatus to the rest of it.
Okay.
Would be
Well, I don't want to take this out anyways because I want to clean it. It's freaking filthy looking. So how did that go up there? Was this pin? Which way?
yeah, exactly like you got it. This pin engages the bottom side of this guy,
Oh, okay.
and the whole thing ends. You got it the right way.
So it goes this way. There we go.
Looks like it's a snap ring. Of
Yeah,
some
yeah.
sort,
There was a snap
retaining
ring
it.
down there. What they did is they took that snap ring out, unbolted it from here, you know, pushed everything up, went down, and then up and out. That's what they did. Well, I should say the dude did.
So should we be taking off something else along here?
This
Preemptively?
we're probably gonna lift this all the way back up, so that way it's all the way at the tip.
Just the tip, Joe.
Just the tip. You want to undo?
So I shouldn't take that snap ring off?
No, you can. You want to undo the brake real quick, so I can pull this up.
Ready?
Yep. There we go. Is that all
Just
the way
stop
up?
it right there.
Yeah,
It might
that's
be.
fine.
The
That's weird. Last time this didn't come up with it.
Yeah, but we forced it to go down further. That appears to be like a sleeve.
Yeah, that's weird.
I imagine if there's some sort of wear in there, you know, they'd put an oversized sleeve and rebore the whole thing.
Rebore with another Bridgeport.
Like exactly. Sometimes you need a bigger tool to fix a smaller tool, or sometimes the other way around. Makes you wonder who made the first tool. You know,
That's true.
How did the first stuff, you know, come about?
I think that's like
What
a
was
chicken
what
and
was
the
the
egg
methods, you know, to get you to that point?
thing. A chicken and an egg.
We really want this all the way up?
Oh,
I think we.
no, I think that'll be fine, like right there, because this has to go down a ways to be able to pull us out and go up. You know.
I mean, that looks like it.
This is actually attached to the quill, so
So how does it unattach from there?
we have to take the shaft out, and then
Gotcha.
you can get to the bolt. This is what
see.
this hole's
Gotcha.
for.
So
And-
now I can take this out, but regardless, we're
Yeah.
going to be unscrewing these the whole length.
Not the whole length. Like that's fine, because it only has to go down.
Oh, it
No.
just got to go down enough for us to get the
Yeah,
bolt out.
just to
I
clear
just I
that.
figured you wanted it all apart to clean it.
Oh, I am. I'm gonna take it apart.
Make sure we
So
stay on
we'll
the
still
same
take
page.
the spread or that doodad off.
Snap ring.
Let me see that light, because
Go for it.
that light you like keep reflecting, and it's like ruining the shot. Like if I put it right on there, it looks terrible. I need to put it like that.
You gotta like dim it. That's why I dimmed it. If you hold the button down, it'll dim it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Stinger Streamlight. Poly LED.
Serial number 55672.
The best flashlight ever made.
I don't know. My Milwaukee's pretty nice.
Yeah, it was a pretty nice unit for a long time, but now
And then we got this Phillips right up here. Or flathead.
holy cow, we might need your impact driver deal on that one.
I had to restart because I don't know it so long.
Ooh.
Give it that
It's got a little buildup in there. Man, I don't want.
Now we might just get that out.
Yeah, I don't want to strip it out.
Okay, we'll get that out.
I don't trust it.
I don't trust you either.
I just want to melt
Start
out
it
a
on
little,
fire.
melt out a little bit of what I believe is Loctite on there. I don't know if that was enough to do anything. I'll try to persuade her a little bit.
Sweeter.
I'm guessing that's going to be the ticket. Oh, jeez.
It just needed heat.
I'm sure it was Loctited in there because it went from being way too stiff to do anything with to like butter.
Nice.
Come on, baby.
It's
Okay,
actually
cool.
weird. Then you got a thread. I'll have to watch the video again, but you said you have to like a reverse threaded rod in there and then pull it out. There's something goofy like that.
How are we going to do that?
I don't know.
Let me see.
What did I say this one was?
632 off the top of my head.
632, something like that. Yeah, 632. Which is threading on there.
Do I got to worry about.
No, it won't.
You sure?
Oh, okay.
Because I'm pretty sure
Well,
it
that's
will.
not good because that just broke.
No, it
There's
didn't.
supposed to be a rod, like on the end of it.
No, it's
down in
not.
there.
I'm certain that it's got to be fine.
You sure? Okay. It just
Well-
looked longer.
It doesn't look broken.
Okay. And then I think a spring or something fell. Okay.
Well,
Oh yeah, I
think
guess it doesn't look broken. There's no shear marks or anything.
Look it.
Is it not? Oh, is there some kind of step or something?
Okay.
Oh, there we
It was
go.
dirty.
Just dirty.
All right. Do you want me to redo it for the camera?
No, I'm already recording.
Oh, now we.
It's just your light's kind of messing it up because it's just like a huge glare. It'd be better just not to have a light.
Not for me.
For me, it is. You just gotta get far enough down to get past that.
It was very interesting.
I think I should name this video "Two Bumbling Idiots
Oh,
Tear Apart a Mini or Mill."
you know, you'd think there'd be worse out there, but we'd be
True.
setting an example for all other garage 60s mill restoring people.
They should be able to go to the side. Oh yeah, you can go out now. Just boink.
Did you really think that machined part would just fall out of there?
What do you mean fall? You pull it, and yank her.
It's a machined finish. It's not gonna come out at an angle.
Yeah.
I encourage you to try. Nobody's gonna want to come find us like
Yeah, come find us.
Yeah. Call it the Corona Mill video. What'd you do while you were home not working? Well,
Yeah.
we bumbled through a mill.
I wish. I'm still working. Alright, that has to be enough. Holy cow.
What?
No way. There's no way. That has to.
I am-
This is seriously how he took it out. That's crazy.
I will.
That's
No,
crazy.
this is a machine finish. It's not gonna come out. You're gonna have to take it all the way off. There's no way.
Man, you're
That's
gonna have to take that all the way off.
You're killing me.
Oh, hang on.
What?
Oh, it doesn't have one. His had where you can press it
Mhm.
and it would like expand it, so you can just like shrink.
Yeah, that would make
That's
sense.
what he did.
They didn't have that in the 60s.
Yeah. Well, this was from the 80s. This is an 82.
Well, we're from the 80s too.
No,
Oh,
just you were from
just
the 80s.
just me. Now that I think about it,
I'm
you're
a
you're
90s
just
boy.
barely not from the 80s.
You can't put me in that ragtag group.
What's that make you? Are you even a millennial?
I am a professional.
What? I like this small amount of heat method. It definitely needs a little bit of scrub taken to it.
Oh yeah, that's why I wanted to take all this apart, clean it all anyway. It's filthy.
Well, that top parts of the threads never get used.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just gonna get some more fuel.
No, I like it right there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fire. Fire. Oh man. Which brush?
You can only use the left-handed one.
Okay. Which one's left-handed?
They're all left-handed,
Oh, okay.
and they're all right-handed.
Gotcha. This is like that time we built a treehouse.
Those are actually brand new ones.
Where's your nails? They're all on the ground. Okay.
Gotta pick them out of the ground.
Told you to tell Keely I was recycling. We did. We recycled the mess you made. That's not too hot up there, is it?
Nah,
That's probably fine.
it's fine.
I put the heat up in a different spot. Yeah, that's better than it was. It was getting rough. It appears to have been oiled pretty
That's
good.
what she said. It was getting rough. Appeared to be pretty oily.
Why? Why?
I'm quite tired
Do
today.
I subject myself to these matters? It's never gonna fit. Everything is a machined tight tolerance on this thing.
It's gonna
And
fit
you
too
want it to
thick.
be like a drill press. It's just gonna fall apart like it was a Craftsman or something.
Oh man, throwing the Craftsman under the bus. Jesus.
Yeah, nowadays Harbor Freight's better.
No, that is.
Oh.
Ooh, that's
Why did that lock up?
pretty twat.
Why would that have locked up? Period.
You said to be a man about it. I was using my left hand. My left hand's kind of weak, you know.
Yeah. Mine hurt till I started to do this. I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to bang those ball joints out yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
My hand hurt. I got old man arthritis. I'm only millennial years old.
I mean, you could put a rag on there with those big channel locks right underneath here.
I didn't want to. Yeah, I don't want to maul anything out.
As I said, put some cloth between it. Or just do it all.
I'm sizing it up, Joe Billy.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, I don't have that.
Everybody's favorite Joe Billy repair shop.
I don't think anybody's going to watch this.
What happens when it gets too wild? Well, we call the auto mechanic. Like
Yeah.
I'm as far from a machinist as it goes. All we're doing is putting two idiots together. There's nothing gained. No, that's working fine. It just must be a little boogered up or something because it's.
I just don't want it to drop once it goes down.
Oh yeah. That top one's gonna come off, and then we gotta screw the bottom one out of it. All right.
I didn't even think about using that punch. That was smart. That was a idea. An idea. It's a good idea you got there, dear. Idea. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming off easy.
Both of them are together.
It's going to be 10 minutes of you just unscrewing that.
Yep. I would edit that baby down.
Oh, hell no. It's going to be 10 minutes.
Better off with a time lapse. It's hard to time lapse this one.
Oh, hell no. I'm going to make it into a 10-part series. An hour long each one.